Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's sWorld, and today we will be embellishing our nails. Remember the last video we learned to fix the nails in 15 minutes, and today in this video we'll learn how to embellish them. Simple embellishment, ready to go, can be done in 10 minutes. So let's dive in, guys. Okay, so I've done my nails already, as you can see. There's the plastic nails. I chose a green color this time. You can choose any color of choice, doesn't matter. We just need a few things to do. And here in this video we'll be needing, of course, when you've done your nails, you need the colors that you want to use to do the nails. So I chose these 4 different colors. Okay, different colors of glitter nail polish. You can choose any color you want. I have the Q-tip, that's cotton bud, and the nail polish remover. This one says dissolver, but I use it as the remover. Just be very careful so it doesn't melt the plastic nails. So here I was trying to choose which colors to go for. I eventually settled for this one with the gold detail. There's a lot of gold particle color inside, so that's how you start it. I started with my thumb, so I'm using my right hand to do my left first. It's usually easier for me like that. My right is my most dominant hand. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm going very gently. It's not something that you rush. So I went on to the second one here. And that's what I'm doing. And that's it. Just be careful. You don't need to rush it. Take it easy. So I went all through the 10 nails, and that's the last one I'm doing. The second to the last one. Okay, this one should be the last one here. So I looked at it. It's looking nice, but I wanted a double coat. So for the double coat, make sure that you're very generous with it. Like, I applied the nail polish really generously. You can see how I'm putting so much amount of the glitter nail polish on it. So that's how I do that, and it's really looking pretty. It no longer looks, no longer looks like it's the plain nails that we used. And that's it. I went generously round the whole nails. Maybe I'm beginning to like it like this too. It's actually looking really pretty. So you can rock your nails plain the first time, and another time you can decide to embellish it. So if you want to see how I fix the plastic nails, I'll be putting the link in the description box so you can check it out. It's very simple, 15 minutes and you're done with your nails. So that's it, guys. The nails are done. Then you realize that when you're applying it, you're going to have some colors spill over to the sides of your fingers, and that's where we have the other color. Here I was trying to go in for more color. I wanted to do the extra, so then I wanted it more shiny. You can also do that. You can put as much colors as you want, but be careful not to make the colors riot. So I got this one with the bigger sizes of glitter, and then I also applied it. So I was talking about the spill at the sides of the nails. That's why we have the Q-tip and of course the nail dissolver. So I'm going to be using that to clean the sides of the nails. So this is it, guys. Here I was done with everything and it looks really nice. So the next thing I did was I waited for it to dry. So all the time I was just gisting, trying to look at it. I waited for it to dry a little, then I pour this in to this bowl, into the cover, and then I used one of the Q-tip. Just a piece is enough to get the magic done. So you dip it in, not so much, don't let it run, and then by the side pull down the skin a little, then you clean. Just be careful so it doesn't get into the main nail. so you need to clean very gently. It's not something you rush. Okay, so that's it. The cleaning can be a little, what do you call it, a little time taking. Just be patient, you get everything cleaned up. It's that easy. And basically we're done with, with our nails embellishment. So as I said earlier, you can rock the nails plain first, and the next time you're rocking it properly embellished. And that's the end of these nails we've done. Beautiful. That's the picture of the nails. Thanks guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.